Welcome to Ngobotonten Sharp Eyes channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey tada, Organjan Bafit for life. Hola. This is Ngobotonten Sharp Eye channel. You are here at FNB Stadium, Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramid 0. My brother, how's it?
How's it, my brother?
Sharp, thanks man. Your take on the game?
Game nati,
Umnati.
the game mnati. Into shot ngayo.
Yeah.
The shot ngayo. Ukutshele VAR.
Yeah.
Structure bese right, yonke into bese right.
Yeah.
Ama opportunities wa create aswasebenzisa. Mara for ungena kwa skomot.
Yeah.
Ngwana says skomot ungenzela into engakazi ngayibona. The last 20 minutes engiyibonile from yena individual as a professional player ngibonise enyini angaze ngayibona from skomot. Sure iSundowns eswinile then Lucas ubani Suarez mistakes lapho nalapho lesikhathi kora umfukeng 2 goals sure sibabambile lapho nalapho ngoba ngokuthini Sundowns is an intelligent team iyayenza lento eyenzayo ayidlali futhi yabo iSundowns fanele idrawile sure idrawile mara siyazi South African teams Egypt we come back with a win.
Beautiful. And
in support the Pirates.
So final nobabini la.
So final so you. Yeah. FNB or Orlando versus Loftus.
Number 1.
Angifuni ukusho izinto eziningi. Egypt so you. So win 1-0. Masibuya. Siyabonisa ukuthi South African football is international. Azange ukuthi so win Africa. So win international.
Number 1.
See South Africa.